Hi everyone, this is Priyanka working as Assistant Professor in SNS College of Technology in the Department of Information Technology. Today we are just going to have a case study in the subject cryptography and cybersecurity. These are my third year students. This is Kabir, Ajay, Bhargav, Tony and Praveen. We are just going to see a case study in the AES and DES. That is, AES is Advanced Encryption Standard and DES is Data Encryption Standard, in which they are both in general, AES it is mainly 128 bits, whereas DES is 64 bits. AES it mainly consists of 10, 12 and 14 rows. It is mainly based on the key size, whereas in the case of DES it mainly consists of 16 rows. Okay, let us see the case study in detail. Okay, Bhargav, just tell about the introduction part.
Okay, see about intro of AES and DES. Encryption is a fundamental technique in cybersecurity used to protect sensitive data from unauthorized access. It converts plaintext to ciphertext using algorithm and keys. Two of the most important symmetric encryption algorithm are Data Encryption Standard, that stands for DES, and Advanced Encryption Standard, that stands for AES. These algorithms are widely used in banking system and security communication and cloud storage and other government and data protection. In this case study, you see about working and comparison, application and security aspects of AES and DES.
Well said, Bhargav. Now Tony, just tell about the DES.
DES stands for Data Encryption Standard. It is a symmetric key algorithm developed on 1970s in IBM and adopted by NIST in 1997. Key features in DES are block size is 64-bit and key size are 56-bit. The number of rounds are more than 16 rounds. The working of DES is follow the structure called first-stage network. The first step is initial permutation, splitting into a left and right. There are 60 rounds of expansion, XOR with key, substitution Xbox and permutation. Advantages are simple structure and easy hardware implementation. The disadvantages are the key size is 56-bit and the vulnerable brute force attacks.
Okay, Kabir, just tell about the algorithms used.
AES was replaced by the DES on 1991 by NIST. Its key features are it has 128 bits, then its key sizes are 128, 192 and 256. There are actually 3 rounds in it, 10, 12 and 14. So how AES works is it is substitution permutation network. So its steps are SubBytes substitutions and ShiftRows, MixColumns as well as AddRoundKeys. Its advantages it's very highly secure and it has fast performance. It can analyze the performance, can also analyze the performance, and it is widely used globally. Its disadvantages is it is little complex comparing to DES and it requires more computational spaces.
Okay, Praveen, just tell about the difference between AES and DES.
Yes, ma'am. The comparison of AES, DES. First of all, we are going to see about DES. DES is a data encryption standard. It was introduced in 1977, ma'am. And the block size is very small. It is 64 bytes weight of key size only. And the key size also very small. It is only 54 bytes. And the security level is very low, and it can't be able to use in our modern computers, ma'am. And the speed is slower than the AES. And the structure is a physical network using in the structure. And the usage is absolute usage. And we now going to see about the AES. AES is an advanced encryption standard, ma'am. It is the advanced level of DES. It was introduced in 2001, and it consists of 128 block size. And the key size is totally 3 variants. It's 128, 198, 192 and 256 bytes, ma'am. And it is very high comparing to DES, ma'am. And the speed is faster than DES, and it also structure is using SPN. It is widely used in the banking sectors. The DES can be broken in our modern computers, And also AES is used in modern applications like HTTPs and VPNs in banking sectors, encryptions, and using 256 byte for the highest security. The results improve data protection and also faster encryption processes.
Well said, Praveen. Now just Ajay, just tell about the applications.
So we can see about application of AES, online banking, WhatsApp inscription, cloud security, and we can see about DSA applications, order at AM system, against system. Conclusion: DES played an important role historical, but it is now insecure. Organized must about AES for secure communications. AES is the current standard for inscription algorithms.